In this video, I'm going to show you how I use Tubebuddy for my YouTube tags on my video, and you're going to be seeing my screen from my YouTube analytics and the back end for what it looks like. If you'd like to try out Tubebuddy and follow along, you can go to tubebuddy.com/Lydia and you can try it for free today. So go to tubebuddy.com/Lydia. I have been using Tubebuddy for a couple years now and really enjoyed it. It has helped me grow my YouTube channel, and I use it the most for my keyword research and for YouTube tags to be found in search results. So I'm going to show you my dashboard right now. When you download the Tubebuddy extension on your browser, it's really easy to do, and it will show up in your YouTube studio. So if you have a YouTube account, you can go to studio.youtube.com, and this is what shows up as your dashboard. And the cool thing about Tubebuddy is that it shows up right on your dashboard and right on YouTube. So you click this Tubebuddy icon and you can go down to the Keyword Explorer, and we're going to talk about finding keywords and using tags in your video to get your videos found in search results. So I have been recently doing weekly videos vlogging about my pregnancy journey, and so I've been using different tags and keywords about pregnancy. But how I do my research is going to this Keyword Explorer, typing in what topic I'd like to start with, or maybe one or two words, a few words to get started, and then see what's suggested. And sometimes just switching a few words around can make a big difference in whether your video is likely to rank for that and show up on the first page of those keyword results. So when I go to Keyword Explorer, like for example, I have been doing these pregnancy updates, so I might type pregnancy update and see what comes up. I'll explore that. But you'll see right away, it gives you a drop-down menu of different things that you can add to that called a long tail keyword, which is more likely for a newer channel or a smaller channel to rank for. And so you might want to put 2021, put the year of the video so that people that are searching for new content can find it. Also, there might be more specific things that you could add to that people are looking for. Pregnancy update vlog. So let's try that. If we click on that and explore it, this is what it looks like. You will get what they call a weighted score, where it shows you how likely your channel is specifically to rank for that keyword. And also you can click on unweighted to see that this one in particular is an excellent keyword and it's pretty good for my channel specifically. Another thing I like to do is check out the results for what videos show up for that tag already and what is in their title, what is in their description, maybe check out their thumbnails and see how I can be a little different than what they're doing and try something kind of new or put my own spin on it. How can I make this interesting? How can I make it stand out so people will want to click on it? So the thumbnail is really important to show people what they're getting when they click on the video. But this title and your description is where you would put those keywords and those tags to be found in search results like this. So you can tell that I actually have one video that's ranking for this keyword already in the top 20 videos. Here I am right here, number 8 for that search on YouTube. And so that has pregnancy update in the video title, it's in the description, and it's in the tags. You want to put it as many places as you can to, one, let YouTube and their algorithm know what's in the video, and second, for people that are searching for it to know exactly what they're getting. So there's several keywords in this title specifically on my video, so we'll just use that as an example. But how it feels to be 9 months pregnant. I was 37 weeks in this video, and it was my pregnancy update with baby number 2. So that's lots of different keywords there, but that pregnancy update keyword is the one that's ranking right here. So if we actually click on that video, it will take us to the YouTube video. And what we're going to do is look on the right side of the screen, and this is another cool feature of Tubebuddy. You get video analytics specifically for that video, and it shows you how it's ranking. The SEO score is really good. It's 95 out of 100, and it also shows you what tags that it's ranking for. So you can click show the search rankings, and all of these tags and keywords that I'm using have this little green button here with the number that shows you what order it is for that search. So how it feels to be 9 months pregnant, I am ranking number 1 for that search. And then here's some more that we talked about. Baby number 2 is another great keyword on this. And so it's showing up for multiple searches. People are finding it different ways. So even if they don't know me or my channel yet, it's a way for them to discover me through the content that they're searching for. So this is an amazing way to grow your channel, and just doing some research like this, moving things around, like seeing what people are searching for, what can you add to it to make it a little different, make it stand out. You'll notice a lot of these keywords are pretty long. They're not just one word. It's not short keywords. They're pretty long keywords. And so you're more likely, if you're starting out especially, to rank for a longer keyword. So I would recommend that. If we go back over to my analytics here, I will close out of this and show you on your channel. TubeBuddy has Channelytics as well. You can compare your channel to other channels that are doing similar videos, see what their top videos are by going over to videos. And I have 600 videos on my channel now, but if you kind of check it out, you'll see how many views are the different videos getting, what kind of keywords are they using on their top videos. You can even filter through the videos and just kind of see what's most popular, what would you maybe want to make a video topic on, and that will get the ball rolling with some ideas on your keywords. And then if we go back over to TubeBuddy's icon here and then the Keyword Explorer, this is where I find those keywords. And then when I am in the video section, you can go to content in your studio. You can edit any of your videos. Here's my latest video. And I use my keywords. Here's waiting on baby to be born. That's where I'm at the moment. And I use that in the description here. Waiting on baby to be born is right in the first couple lines of the description as well. And then if you scroll down to the tags, waiting on baby to be born is ranking number 2 for that search right now. You can click on the tags that are already there, and it will pull up that Keyword Explorer to show you the ranking, to show you how it is on your channel, other things that you can use. See, this says it's an excellent score for my channel specifically because I've been making videos about pregnancy updates, and so it just makes sense with what my viewers are already watching and what I've already been ranking for in other videos. So that is how I use TubeBuddy for keyword research. So I'm not just guessing what people are searching for. I actually go and look into it, try a few different things. I might add the year to it, or I might add another word like vlog or update or something more specific to help people that are looking for it to find it. And then hopefully if they like your content, they'll subscribe, they'll watch other videos, and that will grow your channel over time organically. So I wanted to share with you how I use TubeBuddy because this has been an amazing tool, and I love how it just gives you the data for you to put your best foot forward with your videos, get them out there where people will see them. And if you want to start using TubeBuddy, you can use it absolutely for free to try it out by going to tubebuddy.com/Lydia, and you will be able to add that as a extension on your browser. It's super easy to do. You can do it right now for free and get started using the Keyword Explorer. They have a lot of great features as well. This is just one of the things that I use it a lot for and wanted to share my experience because it's helped me grow my channel. I'm currently at 4,000 subscribers and have been monetized on my channel for a little over a year. It has really grown my YouTube channel since starting to use TubeBuddy in the last couple of years. So I wanted to share that with you. I hope that it's helpful. I would love to hear your questions and your comments as well on how you like TubeBuddy and what you think about it. So go to tubebuddy.com/Lydia to sign up for free today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more videos coming soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.